Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Hope y'all had a wonderful Easter. I missed y'all last week, but busy. But I'm gonna jump right in. What you will be needing is in the description. Today's something different. I'm making hot dogs, but I'm deep frying them. And if you never had them, they're a game changer if you deep fry them. I think a lot of us kind of, as we get older, we kind of pull away from hot dogs because, you know, we've eaten them all of our life. And you start cooking things different ways and they taste a little bit different. And let me tell you, these are delicious. I am using, now the only thing about these is if you use skinless hot dogs, it ain't gonna work. You'll burn them before they're warmed through. I mean, most hot dogs are fully cooked already, but you wanna cook them to a good temperature. They don't burn. Believe me, I've tried it because we crave these hot dogs, and sometimes I just can't find the all-natural casings, which I'm using the boar's head. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. These are beef and pork, and they have all-natural casings, and that's what you want because that's what gives you that good snap on a hot dog you're looking for. And the ones we get in the grocery stores, the ones that we normally buy, don't have that natural casing. But these ones here, I got at my local store, and they are all natural casings. They're a bit pricey, but they're worth it. If you're wanting a good hot dog, there goes my dog barking. But I want to bring this up to at least 275 to 280, and we are there. Now get your hot dogs out of your pack and go ahead and pat them dry. And these are only going to deep fry for probably 2 to 3 minutes. Because like I said, they are fully cooked. And if you don't have where you can't, you know, check your heat, just make sure they're not burning. If they're burning, just move your pan off of your heat so they don't burn. But they're so good. And we're going to get these dropped in there. And like I said, these are going to fry probably 3 minutes. And I like to keep turning mine. And we're going to top them with some goodies. So this is what I'll just keep doing, is turning them and let them fry. A lot of people will fry them at 350. You know, that's normally the deep fry temperature we all look for, we all aim for. But for me, I don't like to cook them that high. They brown too fast. See there how they're already browning there? So we don't want to cook them real high. Okay, so I'll just keep flipping. And there goes and be careful though, because these will, see how it's spitting? But I'll finish these. Okay, these have been in for 3 minutes. They're light, beautiful color. Lay these on some paper towel. And we're gonna get our hot dogs assembled. Okay, let's get us some hot dogs put together. Summertime coming, spring coming. We had these, actually, Curtis was the one that told me to make these because we had them, we fried some up for Easter and had a cookout, and delicious. This is how we like them, you know. And now we like to use the brioche buns, but the ones I got are split in the middle on top. Usually I have them on the side, that way I can open it, butter it, and grill it. So fix them that way, guys. Or get this bun and stick it in the microwave and get it super soft. They're just as good that way too. But I like to butter that, open it up, because I can't do that with this because I'll split the whole bun in two. So we're just going to have them warmed in the microwave. And you pick your favorite topping. You know, it's not much making a hot dog. But like I said, for some of us, we kind of shy away from hot dogs after years of eating them, us older folks. But try them a different way. It's just an idea, something different. And we'll get our hot dogs on our bun. Now we have some nacho cheese, some chili, some onions, some sauerkraut, some pickle relish, some mustard. And we'll get these hot dogs assembled. Put your favorite toppings on it. Ketchup. Look at that hot dog there. And when you bite that, that's going to snap. They're just delicious. So I'm going to get these assembled and we'll be back with the final presentation. Okay, my friends, there are the hot dogs, and they are snappy, crispy, and soft and tender and juicy on the inside. They're delicious. And Curtis, which one? I already know which one's his, the mustard.
You already know
we have, well, let me tell them first what I have on there. I have on this one some sweet relish. You could do dill, little bit of onion. On this one here, I have some, can they see that? Some chili and some cheese and some onion. I can't wait to eat mine. It's getting cold already. And then I drained me some sauerkraut and warmed it up. Just whatever sauerkraut you like. And some chopped onions. I just got me a can of all meat chili. Warmed some chili, or do your favorite hot dog sauce. And I got some, on this one here, just some nacho cheese. Whatever kind of melty cheese you like. But they are delicious, and we'll let Curtis snap into one. Grab your mustard dog there.
Gotta keep it basic.
We gotta get the potato chips. You hear that snap?
Oh. Snap was crazy.
Curtis ate, well, how many did you eat last week?
4?
4? Was it 4?
Yeah.
4 with some barbecue potato chips. Oh, yeah. It's a good meal right there, and get it switched up. But you guys, I hope you enjoy making up some of these delicious hot dogs. They are good. Spring, like I said, summer coming. We're all looking for something to, even if it's just to hang outside, cook inside, but hang outside at the picnic table and just be with friends and family and talk and just have some outdoor fun, right? Because I think everybody's ready for some warmer weather. I'm not. I like the cold. But anyways, you guys, if you like the channel, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. It helps support my channel. Go check out my store. There's also a link in the description box to my store. It's got some cool stuff on there, guys. Water bottles, mugs, shirts, t-shirts, mugs, jackets. Lots of things on there. Pretty things. But I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys have a blessed Sunday. Make ye up some dogs. Bye-bye.